how to remove payment method on Google Cloud. First, you want to go to the website, then click on console. From within the Google Cloud console, you will click on the option, or here navigation menu, the 3 lines, and then you want to choose billing here. Once you click on billing, it is going to take you to your billing account. So you just want to click on my billing account. And once you are taken to your billing account, then here what we need to do is to click on manage billing account. Once you click on manage billing account, it is going to take us here. Now what we have to do is find the payment methods. So click on the 3 dots, then go to payment method. Now wait for this to show up, and here you will see your payment methods. Click on remove. Now you have to type your card number in order to remove it. So I'm just going to do that. And if you have other payment methods, then it's going to use those other payment methods and not the one that you have just removed. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.